I was surprised these screws came off like they did, man, because there was a lot of rust on here. I'm glad this, you know, now they're all greased up, so we should be good.
But when you connect it to the battery, that's when I do it. I do a first jump and then I read it again. And there's no power.
It's okay. Go ahead.
There we go. There. This guy's a little bent. What I'm gonna do, oh, wait a minute, this thing is freaking nasty.
Have to go up on this side.
Get the leaf spring to kick up a little bit more before I set it down because it's kind of high already. So right here we're gonna be, see how it's already stretching here? So it needs to kick back up and heal. And I'm gonna come with the leaf spring back with the pry bar and sit right there at the side of the lift. ¿Me la pasas? To the bottom left. Wow. The bigger one, bro. It's on the bottom left.
Oh, beautiful. ¿Y no tiene guía?
No, es así, acá abajo está. Yeah. So they go.
Oh, I know that, but I mean, just okay.
Alright, so como lo voy a hacer aquí. You're right, you're right. Okay, let me clean up that U-bolt. You can put it in, I put it in from the front, from the back to the front, and the long side, this goes to the front.
It's called teamwork. That's how we get things
You want me to
done.
go up with it? Go that way.
Where does? Oh, I see.
Goes here, and I left the bolt up there. Hold on, let me get the, let me get this thing ready, because this schmutz. So, and that's right. There we go.
This leans on it, so it's fine.
Pull it forward. Pull this back. Like that. Now put the front on it.
And pull that back there. Oh shit. But you know why? Because it's in an angle. So it has to, yeah, you're gonna have to, yeah. Line him up. Right there. Alright, that's it. ¿Esta es la misma tuerca?
It's got the. What is this? And then there's those are belong to the U-bolt. What are those? These belong to the back. do you have to turn it?
What?
Does yours have to come this way?
What? This is gonna pull on this. Bam. Yeah. This fucking works.
Start to let it down, Mike.
Huh? I did, but it's pulling on this.
Good. Yeah, just, yeah, put them out there on the floor for right now. Let them take.
What?
Money, right?
Yeah, the pineapple.
Bro, bro. Do you see how 10 years makes a difference? You see that?
I came to work without complaining, bro. That's what I'm saying.
No, between the muffler, what's the flange?
The flange gas.
There was no gas in there. What do you mean? You got the long socket, bro?
Mine, yeah.
The 19?
It's cool like that. And the driver?
That's it.
You guys ain't gonna watch the movie?
Settle in.
So, what is this and what did you guys do to it? I don't know why your car's moving up and down.
This is a 1997 Toyota Tacoma 4x4.
I see you looking at me smiling.
I think it's a 5-speed. They stole this thing. They broke the rear leaf springs, so we went ahead and changed that out, all to original stock. He also had a broken O2 on his, the white pipe split to the top. Went ahead and repaired that, and we're gonna go ahead and put a cutoff switch on it now. Check it out. Hey, it's Jay.
Meanwhile, back at the ranch.
Alright guys, let's get it out for a test ride, see how she feels on the suspension side. She's gotta come back in, we gotta put the cutoff switch. She's done, but we're gonna go for that switch.